UNEP, United Nations Environmental Program. UNEP, United Nations Environmental Program. The UNEP program was launched internationally in 1972 as a result of the Human Environment Conference in Stockholm. The UNEP headquartered in Nairobi, it is in Kenya. The UNEP divided into 8 divisions. They are Science Division, Policy and Program Division, Ecosystem Division, Financial Division, Governance Division, Law Division, Communication Division, and Corporate Service Division. Each division having their own function about protecting of environment. Science Division deal science information about environment. Policy and Program Division, they create policies and implementation programs for the protecting of environment. Ecosystem Division, this division explain ecosystem services. Financial Division provided financial support to protecting of ecosystem or environmental. Governance Division, it is observed the implementation of rules and regulations or programs about protecting of environment. Law Division, it gives legislative information about protecting of environment by laws. Communication Division, it gives information protecting of environment all over the world from one place to another place through the Communication Division. And Corporate Service Division, also important role in the protecting of biodiversity. It gives corporate services to protecting of biodiversity. The UNEP programs, the program adapts a 3 tiers of approach. First tier of approach is raising awareness on global environmental issues. And second one, achieving consensus on environmental issues. And third one is conducting action program on the solution of these problems. First one is raising awareness on global environmental issues, which problem is present in the location of global environmental issues. It is raising awareness on global environmental issues and achieving consensus on environmental issues. So the consensus environmental issues are achieved by the UNEP and conducting action programs on the solution of these problems. Which problems are raised, which problems are arised, which problems are awareness and achieving, and by the conducting of different types of action planning programs, and we are gain solutions of these problems. It is also established an independent UNEP fund collecting of money all over the world for protecting of nature. It is also 3 types of projects on the biodiversity. They are study of biodiversity domestically, and second one, global biodiversity assessment, and third one is biodiversity data management development countries or developing countries. Study of biodiversity, it is important at the domestic level. Study of the biodiversity is important also global level, and it is assessment also important for protecting of ecosystem and biodiversity data management in developing countries. So developing countries are maintaining proper biodiversity management data systems. Including this, they maintain Blue Data Book. It related to IUCN Red Data Book. Which animals, which plants are reached to endangered, endemic, rare. That plants and animals are entered in the Blue Data Book. It protected. If any animal or any living organism entered into Blue Data Book, that animal, that plants are compulsory conserved by the UNEP, and it is also encouraged solar loan programs and World Meteorological Organization. Meteorological organization around the world, it gives proper environmental conditions about the weather or environment all over the world. And the last one, it maintain ecological footprints. Ecological footprints gives proper information about the local places of ecosystem, local places of living organism. So it is under control of UNEP.